YouTube. I'm gonna make a quick video real quick, show you how to install new lights for your license plate. So first of all, I apologize, I've not washed my Camaro in weeks, so it's kind of dirty. But all you have to do is pull this tab back, kind of like so. Now that you have that down, twist it, and there's your old light bulb. From here, you just kind of pull it out, which it's very hard for me to do. There we go. Grab a new LED style and plug it right back in. Okay, just like that. Then you take the cover, you twist it back on, you pop it back up, and you'll do the same on the other side. From here, you already can see a difference. I remember if you plug it in and one of the lights isn't working, it's good to check it before you put it back together. Just take it and plug it, flip it around, and try it again. Yeah, well, you get the idea. I apologize for all the beeping. As you can see how much better that looks. Makes it look a lot more clean, a lot more modern. Anyways, this was just a quick video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.